showing you the difference between a high and low quality vinyl flooring. This is the part of the paid consultation I do for clients who wants to get the project done properly. They commit to us with a $1,000 paid deposit that allows us to put in around 20 hours worth of time to help them solidify their selection. Here we have a flood damaged basement from the rain a couple weeks earlier. Right here, this is a sample of the old floor, and this is a sample of the new floor. With the old floor on top, you can clearly see the new floor we're going to use is way thicker. The old floor is a 5mm vinyl plank. The new one is 7mm. Another important thing to look out for is the thickness of the underlayment. You can see in the 7mm underpad is almost 3 times as thick as the original one from the 5mm. This soft underlayment allows us to put more unevenness in the floor without damaging the locking system. Color-wise, I found this one, 705, that's almost an exact match to the old floor. Now I will drop this off at the job site to wait for the homeowner's approval before proceeding. This is all part of the design process we do before the project starts to ensure the actual progress will be very, very smooth.